Say hi. There's you still got hiccups. There are those bright eyes. And the tough cat will not leave his side. Ebony cat is super jealous. You got your twin bodyguard cats over here. We love you, little guy.